Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Bernarda Boru Simangunsong, and I'm from K3. Today, I would like to deliver a persuasive speech entitled The Importance of Drinking Enough Water for Healthy Life. Nah, before I begin, let me ask you a simple question. How many glasses of water have you drunk today? Was it 2 glasses, 3 glasses, or maybe you haven't drunk any water at all? Many of us do not realize that drinking enough water is one of the most important things we can do for our health. We often pay attention to the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and even the amount of sleep we get. But we sometimes forget something very simply and essential: water. Ladies and gentlemen, our bodies are made up of about 60% water. This means the water is necessary for almost every function in our bodies. Water helps regulate body temperature, carries nutrients to our cells, and remove waste from our bodies. Without enough water, our bodies cannot work properly. Now, unfortunately, many teenagers and students do not drink enough water every day. Some are too busy studying, some prefer drinking coffee, tea, or soft drinks, and others simply forget to drink water because they are busy using their phones or doing other activities. At first, this may seem like a small problem, but it can have serious effect on our health. Now, when we do not drink enough water, we become dehydrated. Dehydration can cause headaches, dizziness, dry lips, and fatigue. Have you ever felt sleepy or tired during class even though you had enough sleep? Sometimes the reason is not a lack of sleep, is it a lack of water? Not drinking enough water can also affect our brain. Even mild dehydration can reduce our concentration and memory. For students like us, this is a serious problem because concentration and memory are very important for learning. Imagine that tomorrow you have an important exam. You studied hard the night before, but during the exam you cannot focus because you feel tired and having a headache. Of course, your performance will not be as good as it could be. Therefore, drinking enough water is important not only for our physical health but also for our academic success. So, what can we do to solve this problem? Nah, the good news is that staying hydrated is very easy. We do not need expensive medicine or complicated treatments. We only need to develop a few simple habits. First, try to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. This amount is generally recommended to keep our bodies hydrated. The second, always carry a reusable water bottle with you. When water is always nearby, you are more likely to drink it regularly. The third, set reminders on your phone. Sometimes we forget to drink water because we are busy, so a simple reminder can help us build a healthy habit. The fourth, try drinking a glass of water immediately after waking up in the morning and another glass before going to bed. This simple action can make a big difference. And finally, choose water instead of sugary drinks whenever possible. Soft drinks may taste good, but too much sugar is not good for our health. Water is a much healthier and safe choice. Now imagine what will happen if we make drink water a daily habit. Nah, we will have more energy throughout the day. We will feel fresher and healthier. We will be able to concentrate better in class, and our bodies will function more efficiently. We may even have healthier skin and a better mood because our bodies are getting what they need. On the other hand, if we continue to ignore this habit, we may frequently experience headaches, fatigue, dehydration, and difficulty concentrating. In the long run, our health daily performance can suffer. Ladies and gentlemen, drinking enough water is one of the simple habits we can develop, yet it can make a huge difference in our life. Sometimes the smallest habits bring the greatest benefit. Therefore, starting today, I encourage all of you to pay more attention to your water intake. Bring a water bottle with you. Drink water regularly and make hydration a part of your daily routine. Remember this simple message. Your body needs water just as a plant needs water to grow. Without enough water, neither can stay healthy. So let's start taking better care of ourselves by doing something simple, drinking enough water every day. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful day and stay healthy.